a beautiful sunny day, even though it's the end of October, in arguably the first and original seaside town, or seaside resort at least, in England. If you don't recognise the hotel behind, that's the Grand, and we're in Scarborough. It became a popular seaside destination in the early 1600s when an interesting tasting, slightly bitter water was found, which just turned out to be mineral water, but they didn't have it back then, so people flocked from all around England to come and chase the interesting water, and they drank it so much that some of them got a little bit ill and botulism and died. But anyway, a beautiful seaside town was created, so let's go and have a look. Found the water, apparently. You can see they've made a little font and the water's still dripping out now, but there is a sign that says not drinking water, so maybe those days are long gone. So this is the spa on the seafront, which I think now is a theatre, but I think it's named back in the day when maybe they used to bathe in the water. I don't know, let me know down in the comments. So we're just walking along the beach now, and we're going to go up to the town. At least the this bit's obviously South Bay, so we'll go around the South Bay, around the Grand. It's worth noting how many dog walkers are here. I think in the summer seasons, I think they're banned from the beach, but we're here at the end of October, so I think the dogs are now allowed on, and everyone's obviously taking advantage. Everyone's enjoying it more than the dogs themselves. That guy over there's got 5 dogs. Jesus Christ, how many can you need? This is one of those beaches where the sea comes all the way up to the seawall. So this time of year the sand is always wet, but it is absolutely spotless. There's no stones or pebbles or anything to hurt your feet on. Absolutely pristine. Over there you can see the harbour. We'll go and have a look around there later, although the tide's out at the moment, so I'm not sure any boats will be setting off, but we'll have a little look. It's one of the old tram lines there, which is not in use anymore. I think they've turned it into a cafe, and the actual trams that used to go up and down, they fixed those permanently to the structure, so you can sit in those and have a coffee and look out onto the beach. There is still a working one over, where am I? Over there, which I think is £1.20 at the moment to have a trip up the hill. Save the old legs. So we'll have a look at that in a sec. In fact, it's not over there, it's there. Just missed it. Oh. So I'm hoping you can hear me over this wind, but that's now the tram line that is usually still open, but first tram ride today is at 9:30, so closed at the moment. You can see it goes up the hill. And we've got Olympia Leisure, which is a giant arcade. I think there's bowling alleys as well in there. If you got kids, or you're just a big kid, this is the place for you. And up there we've even got Coney Islands, which I thought was in New York, wasn't it? But apparently Scarborough's got their own. I said earlier that the sea comes in all the way in and up the beach, so you don't get a sandy bit, but this bit up here looks pretty sandy. So maybe you can risk putting your towel down here and having a nap and not getting washed away. Also this time of year, the beach likes to climb all the way up the path. So you get to walk on the beach without being on the beach. In fact, up there it looks real sandy. You can make sandcastles with that. Maybe they should have put the road in a different place. Now over here is a bit of a pirate land looking sort of themed. What are we doing over there? I'm not quite sure, but in the summer apparently they have a big wheel here. You can go on the Ferris wheel. And also look at all those stairs over there. That's a lot of steps. I'd take the tram. Seaweed on the path. Fancy a butty? Yeah, I do. There is a fish and chip shop up here that claims to have Britain's best fish and chips, which is a bit of a bold claim really. But I'm not in the mood for that at the moment. I want Britain's best bacon sandwich really, so let's see if we can find a nice little cafe down here and get some food. Look how sandy this bit is. Woo! Good job I wore my Jesus sandals. Here we go, Papa's Britain's best fish and chips. But they've just put that up themselves, haven't they? What's this one over here as well? The fish pan. I bet they'd have something to say about it. Casino. It's not quite Las Vegas, but what's this one? Flamingo Bay. It is very Vegas. Doctor Who style police box. Is it open? No. This is the harbour. The boats are in. It's nice as well. They leave all these lobster pots around so you can have a look. Let's get a lot of lobsters around here. Apologies about the wind. Hope you all can hear me. So this is kind of coming to the end of the South Bay with the harbour, and then you've got a little fun fair at the end. I think it's called Luna Park, and then you've got the headland separating with the castle on top, and then North Bay the other side, which I took some videos yesterday, which you can have a quick look at now. Just entering the castle grounds now. This famous Scarborough Castle. In the Civil War this changed hands a number of times. How steep this is. You wonder how anyone conquered it, but I'd have fell over just walking up here. So it is well worth a visit up to the castle, especially if you've got kids. We're here the end of October, so they're doing like Halloween tours and stuff like that, and there's some actors doing some, I think they're doing ghost stories, but even if you come in the rest of the time of year, there's amazing views over both cliffs, and it's quite cheap. It's only, there's 4 of us came, it's only £20 to get in, so it's well worth it. And obviously if you're enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you know when videos are going to drop.